Hello dear friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to tell you 10 lines on World Nature Conservation Day. So let's get started. World Nature Conservation Day is marked internationally on 28 July every year. Nature has provided us numerous gifts such as air, water, land, sunlight, minerals, plants, and animals. Existence on Earth would not be possible without any of these. Conservation of nature means the preservation of forests, land, water bodies and minerals, fuels, natural gases, etc. and to make sure that all these continue to be available in abundance. Our planet Earth is facing a number of challenges that is both man-made and natural, which is putting our survival at risk. To raise awareness about protecting the natural resources and to make people understand the importance of the conservation of nature, World Nature Conservation Day was created. The history and origin of the World Nature Conservation Day is unknown, but the main aim of celebrating it on 28 July is to come together and support nature. Don't exploit it. It is important to raise awareness among people all over the world to understand the importance of saving resources, recycle it, preserve it, and also understand the consequences of damaging it. Reduce water consumption, usage of electricity, and restrict usage of paper are the appropriate steps to conserve nature in its untouched form. Only human beings with their power and ability can save nature in its purest forms. Let us come together and make an effort in conserving nature. It will not only benefit our present generation but also for future generations. Thanks for watching. Take care and bye bye.